Leo Wells is a 30-year veteran of the real estate brokerage, sales, and management industries and is the founder, president, and sole director of Wells Real Estate Funds and its subsidiaries. Leo grew up in Valdosta, Georgia, and at age 6 quickly learned the value of a nickel working in his mother's Dairy Queen. By 14, he was already doing much of the banking for his mom's 2 DQ stores. He graduated from Valdosta High, played basketball for 4 years, and was class president his senior year. Prior to launching his funds, Wells was vice president of Hill Johnson, a Georgia-based construction company, and served in numerous capacities for Gaskins Real Estate and Atlanta-based Roy D. Warren Company. Founded in 1984, Wells Real Estate Funds currently serves more than 200,000 investors and manages $7 billion in assets. And according to Real Capital Analytics, Wells Real Estate Funds was the nation's largest purchaser of commercial real estate in 2003. Recognized as an industry expert, Wells is much sought after by the media and industry speaking circuit. He's a regular contributor to the leading business publications, as well as Business News Television.
Where do you want to buy commercial real estate right now?
He's a life member of the Atlanta Board of Realtors $1 Million Club. He headed Guy Milner's Finance Committee in 1994 and was the national winner of the 2003 Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year Award. Wells earned a BBA in economics from Terry College in 1967. He's made significant contributions to the Terry Institute for Leadership Advancement and is very involved with UGA athletics. Leo and his wife Angie live in Alpharetta and have 2 sons. He's an active member of the Atlanta Athletic Club, the Fellowship Bible Church in Roswell, and he enjoys photography and travel on international mission trips. Says nominator Joe Terrell, "I've had the good fortune of knowing Leo since he was a young buck selling DQ franchises. From that humble beginning and experience, he's accomplished a great deal. Leo is literally known worldwide as the founder of one of America's most prolific real estate investment trusts. He's a great businessman who's built a tremendous organization based on a spiritual foundation." The Terry College is proud to present its 2006 Distinguished Alumni Award to Leo Wells.